Hi everyone, this is V.Z Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to log in Google account on laptop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's get started. In order to use all Google services, of course, you must log into your Google account first. First, open your internet browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, etc. Now I open Google Chrome. Click Profile in the top right corner. And then click Sign In. Enter your Google email address. Then click Next. Type your Google account password. Then click Next again. Now you're signed in, and your profile picture or initial will appear in the top right corner. And you can access Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, and more. I think this method is very easy for you to practice, so good luck, and see you in the next video.